Ho! Hey, my wonderful friend. Today I will give you another tutorial about Nunchuck. So days ago we had a tutorial about some basic movements, such like smash down, shoulder pass. And today we are going to learn rebounce. I believe when you review or search Nunchuck content online or even in real life, you see the people show Nunchuck skills to you. Most of them, they show the rebounce. There is some reason why they show rebounce, and today I will explain to you. Okay, let's start the tutorial. First, we are going to learn arm rebounce. Put your arm parallel to the ground. Arm parallel to the ground. And then don't move or wave your upper arm. Put your forearm 40 degrees to your upper arm, like this. And then try to wave your forearm. Don't swing your upper arm, only forearm, like this. See? Don't swing your upper arm. Do not swing your upper arm, only forearm. And then hold the nunchuck. Let's start the arm rebounce. So by this way, you can do these movements properly. The rebounce is between the inner part of nunchuck, the inner part of your nunchuck, and this part of your muscle. This is the arm rebounce. Next, we are going to learn triangle rebounce. This is a triangle, right? Triangle rebounce is from your shoulder to another side of your waist. And then back to this side waist. And repeat. This is the triangle rebounce. When you move the nunchuck between the waist, make sure you do not flip your hands. Don't do this. Keep your hands this way. Keep your hands towards inside. Keep your hands towards inside. Move between the waist. Never do this. It's not work. Don't do this. Only this. So this is the triangle rebounce. Next, we are going to learn rectangle rebounce. Rectangle rebounce start from right shoulder to your left shoulder, to your right waist, to your left waist, and then back to your right shoulder. So let's try again. Right shoulder, left shoulder, right waist, left waist, back to your right shoulder. Next is a foot rebounce. So this is inside and outside foot rebounce. Did you see there is a difference between triangle rebounce and foot rebounce? So when you do triangle rebounce between the waist, you are not flip your hands. No flip of hands. But when you do foot rebounce, you are flip your hands. Right? You flip your hands. Flip hands when you do inside and outside foot rebounce. Next, we are going to learn back foot rebounce. Back foot rebounce is start from your waist and wave nunchuck to the back. Meanwhile, lift your another side leg. Lift the foot, another side. If you do the foot rebounce with the right hand, so you lift your left foot to the back. From waist, left, another feet. See? Same thing, you flip the hand. Flip hand. Next, we are going to learn front foot rebounce. Same thing is from your waist. When you do front foot rebounce, use right arm. You are lift your right leg. Start from waist. Meanwhile, lift your front leg. Same thing, flip your hands, flip hands. These are the very best rebounce movements of Nunchuck. Now I'm going to explain why so many people or some kind of master like to show rebounce skills only in their content or in their shows. There are two keys to make yourself look with beautiful and stunning Nunchuck skill. One is make your movement proper. Two is make your Nunchuck movements very fast. And the rebounce movements is the easy way to make yourself looks good with very stunning Nunchuck skill. And about the rebounce movement, actually all kind of rebounce movement is only the transitional move between the streak. Please keep this in mind. All kind of rebounce movements of Nunchuck just the transitional move between streak. Because this is a weapon. You keep doing the rebounce, make no sense, also boring. But as it is so easy, literally easy, so that's why there are so many kind of master or some other people show their nunchuck skill only with the rebounce patterns. Fourth key, you remember? Fourth key is make your nunchuck movements proper. When you do rebounce, the associated stick is just a bounce, rebounce. You do not need to control it. It's naturally proper because it's just a bounce back. Keep a rebounce, rebounce. So, first key is make your movements proper. Second key is make your nunchuck movements very, very fast. And how the possible you cannot make this very fast? Right? How the possible you cannot make this super fast? So, some people create the rebounce pattern to show up with the people. Because it is so easy, literally easy, to make them look perfect, stunning at nunchuck skills. I personally don't like rebounce. It is boring and make no sense to keep repeat so many rebounce movements. Because this is a weapon. Make no sense keep doing this. But all existence has their certain reason. So, if you are a beginner and there are people, friends or parents ask you to show your nunchuck skill to them, and the rebounce pattern can be an option for you. I understand for all the beginners, you really want to get results, and there are people, friends, want to see your skills. You really want to show something to them. This is why I say rebounce pattern can be an option for you to use to show to your friend. From this video, you can show a very short rebounce pattern to your friends.